Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new account with Bluebird Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, you're going to want to open up your web browser, so go ahead and open it up. Now in the address bar, type in bluebird.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official website for Bluebird Bank. Now you can simply click on the Get Started button to create your account, or click on the Login button at the top section. You will then be taken into the login portal. Now in order to create a new account, simply click on Create One Today at the top right corner. This will then take you into the sign up page. Now just read through the information and then click on the next button. You can now set up your username and enter your email address. So just go ahead and type in your username. Then enter your email address. Type in your email address once again to confirm it, and then you will be allowed to enter your password. Now type in your desired password while following the rules listed below. Then type it in once again to confirm it, and then you can simply click on the next button. After doing so, you will be asked to enter your personal details. You will now be asked to enter your personal details, including your first and your last name and your date of birth. After entering these, simply click on the next button and you will be asked to enter further private information. After entering all of your information will be reviewed. Once the review is done, you will receive an email on your email address, which you can use to finally activate your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account with Bluebird Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also, ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.